Many farming TM self-sufficiency on quarter acre, saving, selecting and buying seeds, maintaining and improving soil, compost, crop rotation and timing, using organic methods, canning, freezing and dehydrating, and more. Brett L. Markham. Chapter 6, Plant Nutrients in Depth. In the past couple of chapters, we have discussed the major macronutrients: soil structure, cover cropping, crop rotation, and other soil building practices in a fair amount of detail. But this level of information is not sufficient in and of itself. It's a lot like saying that a human needs carbohydrates, fats, proteins, air, and exercise. But for getting to mention vitamins, plants make their own vitamins, which is one reason why they are so nutritious. But to make them, or sometimes even survive at all, they need a wide array of both macronutrients and micronutrients. Most of the micronutrients take care of themselves between using various compost ingredients, specifically adding a kelp or seaweed to compost once in a while if available, and using commercial liquid kelp fertilizers such as Neptune's Harvest or Root Boost in the beds. In spite of this, deficiencies sometimes develop. In my garden, because I grow a lot of cabbage family plants, boron can especially be an issue because with inadequate boron, broccoli grows with hollow stems. So I specifically add a teaspoon of borax mixed with a cup of blood meal for easy dispersal to every garden bed at the beginning of each gardening season. This is a picture. These hollow stalks are the result of boron deficiency. Macronutrients. Calcium. Calcium stimulates rhizobia bacteria, is a critical for healthy cell walls, assists with movement of carbohydrates within plants, aids in the absorption of trace elements, and aids the activity of enzymes. Adequate calcium or its even uptake is necessary to prevent potato scab, blossom end rot, black lesions on carrots, and other diseases. Adding lime, which contains calcium, to the hole when transplanting brassicas can help prevent a fungal disease called club foot. Bioavailable calcium is necessary for proper utilization of nitrogen. Plants use large amounts of calcium, so it is important to ensure sufficient levels in the soil. Most often this is done through adding lime of various sorts. Calcium can be added in the form of regular garden lime, dolomitic limestone, which also contains magnesium, and pulverized oyster shells. All of these take time to work and become bioavailable, so I generally recommend adding them to beds in the fall so they have time to work before the garden season starts in spring.